Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing a Christmas themed nails. This is actually a filler video that I filmed back in December, but I'm just posting it now. Starting off, I'm using my Grinch water slide decals from katoribeautycontact. And we are using the XL stiletto nails. And I'm just showing you the decals again. And the polishes we're using are a Beetle 677, dipped in Pretty Killing Me Softly, dipped in Pretty Red, dipped in Pretty After Labor Day, and a top coat. Alright, now I'm just going to go in with all the colors and I'm going to just start painting. Okay, I did both coats. Now I'm just going back to fix the French nail. Not fix it, but finish the French nail. And then I'm going to pop that in the dryer and we're going to get on to the water slide decals. Alright, I'm just showing y'all the decals again, and this is the first one that I'm going to use. It's the Grinch. Alright, it's pretty self-explanatory. I've used water slide decals a few times on my channel. Basically, cut them out off the paper, stick them in your water for about 30 seconds, room temperature water. Slide them right onto your nail, and I cut the slits on the side to help it lay better. On some nails that I use, it just goes right on, but for the extra long nails like this, you have to cut a little slit on the side. Alright, then I'm going to do the rest of the nails, and this is pretty much sped up, so just enjoy. Okay, now that all of my decals are on, I'm taking my 180 grit nail file and I'm just filing up the excess. And those snowflakes you see on there, those are some stickers that I made. They're off of katoribeautycontact. Alright, after I'm done filing, I'm just going to sweep all out the way and we're just going to put the beetles top coat on, and then we're going to move on to the stones, my favorite part. These were some of my favorite nails to bling out. They were so much fun to do. Okay, period. Look at them. Look at them. They're so cute. I actually could have left them plain, but y'all know I'm extra AF, so I gotta bling them out. I'm just showing you the crystals that I'm using. These are my favorite crystals. These are clear AB crystals. Okay, per usual, starting off, I didn't know what I was doing, to be honest. I thought I was gonna like fill this whole entire nail up, but I ended up only doing part of it, like the top half, and then I just removed the excess glue. Next nail, this is just the Grinch nail. I only did the cuticle of this nail because I feel like the Grinch is enough of a design, anything else is too extra. Next, I'm doing the one with the Grinch and Max. I'm just covering the bottom part where I did not put the decal. And then I'm doing my favorite one, which is the Grinch dressed as Santa Claus. And I'm just putting stones like at the top. And I put a couple like around the beard area. Like kind of on the beard, but like kind of on the side. You'll see. But I didn't want to do too much because these nails are already like bold by themselves. Like having the characters and all that on them. Okay, now I'm just doing this snowflake nail. I kept this super simple too. I just put stones across the cuticles because the snowflakes are enough for me. Alright, moving on to the next hand. We're going to start off with the French tip, the red. I didn't do much to this either. I just put stones across the, I think they call it the smile line. I can never say it here. And then the next one, I just put stones where the water slide decal was not, so the nude. Alright, obviously this one, as you can see, we're putting stones where I did not put the water slide decal. Okay, now this nail, the thumb, this was a big one. I really did not know what I wanted to do. I knew I wanted to do something different. So I decided to create, as I was putting those on, I decided to create like icicles. You know how icicles are on the side of the building and how they melt down? That is what I was going for. And me personally, I feel like I achieved it. So yeah, I like it. I'm going to use this design again. Alright, and there they are, the finished product. Those are so freaking cute, so bling, so extra like me, but they still capture the essence of the Grinch. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm excited. We're on day 18. Let's keep it going, keep it going. And yeah, have a great day. Bye-bye.